Welcome to MyBangaloreProperty.com. Today we are at the Jakkur Telecom layout, MCSCH layout. A beautifully built 30-40 house, east facing at Telecom layout, MCSH layout. House comes with the one car parking, borewell water and kaveri water together. It's east facing entrance, main door, completely teak wood work. House comes with the completely interior work, kitchen cabinet, TV units, false ceiling, etc. This is the hall area, hall to staircase, puja room, kitchen area, one bedroom, attached bathroom. Here we have a puja room and some storage area. A completely granite flooring at the house. We have beautiful kitchen with dining area. This is a completely modular kitchen here. Work is under construction, so interior work is started now. So within next 3 months the work will be completed. Here at the ground floor we have one bedroom with attached bathroom. It could be a family bedroom or a parent's room with wardrobes and loft. And this is the attached bathroom here. Under the staircase we have some storage place. As the house is under construction and the development, so things are a little bit untidy, so please don't mind that. Everything going to be clean very soon. So here at the first floor we have one master bedroom with the wardrobe, loft, sliding doors of wardrobe they have provided with attached bathroom. Cross ventilation window we have attached bathroom here. This is a bathroom inside. Going towards the second bedroom at the first floor. So this is another master bedroom with attached bathroom, balcony, front side portico. So here we have a TV unit point. This is the front balcony. Portico is along with the bedroom itself and could be connected to the hall directly again at the first floor. And this is the balcony area. The house is completely teak wood work, Burma teak wood. Master bedroom has a wooden flooring. This is attached bathroom. This is a family hall area going towards the portico, and this is direct access to the hall area in the ground floor. Above this we are going for the next level 2, where we have open terrace. So here at the level 2, second floor, we have here one small room. It's enough spacious master bedroom size. So loft, wardrobes, kitchen cabinet, this is attached bathroom, then the dressing table. So this is a completely 4 BHK duplex independent house. It's a east facing BDA approved plots, BBMP approvals for the constructions and all. For more details, property inspection, you can log on to our website www.MyBangaloreProperty.com, or you can just use a short words 99blr.com. Furthermore, you can call to our official numbers. Thank you so much for watching.